In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the size of text and apps and other items in Windows 10. If you're using a high resolution monitor, like I currently am, and you don't change the scale, then you might be struggling to read the text and also might find a lot of applications are opening up too small, making it very difficult to use them. In Windows, there is a setting that you can change which will slightly make your life a lot easier. The first thing you need to do is right click on your desktop and you then need to click on display settings. You will now see a percentage number under scale and layout. As you can see, mine says 175%. You can actually click on this drop down menu and you can select a new percentage. So at the moment, if I open up my calculator, you can see it's very clear on my screen, even though I do have a really high resolution. If I open up my notepad, I can see the text absolutely fine as well. It's still extremely clear. If I was now to change the percentage from 175 to 150, let me just move the calculator over a little bit and notepad, you will then notice that it's now changed the text and also the calculator size. And also my taskbar has become a lot smaller. If I then change it to 100%, which is what Windows 10 normally has it set as by default, you can now see that this is really difficult to view. Obviously, I've got a lot more space on my desktop, but the taskbar is so tiny I can hardly see it on my 4K display. And also the calculator is really small and the text on my notepad. So you want to go ahead and change this setting until everything's a lot clearer for you. And I find having it on 175% is the best option if you're using a 4K display. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.